In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Atok address in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet where you can send, receive, and manage your digital assets, making it essential to know how to add a new token address. Before you can add the Atok address in Trust Wallet, you'll first need to visit BSC Scan. BSC Scan is a block explorer for the Binance Smart Chain, and you'll use it to search and find the specific Atok address you need. Head over to their website and use the search bar to look for Atok. Once you've located it, click on it, which will bring up the token's details. Here, you'll see the specific address that you'll need to copy. This address is essential as it uniquely identifies the Atok token you want to add to your Trust Wallet. After you've copied the Atok address, it's time to open your Trust Wallet. Once you've accessed the app, you'll notice several features like send, swap, fund, and sell, as well as a list of tokens you already have. These features make handling your cryptocurrencies straightforward, whether you aim to manage or exchange them right from your wallet. To begin adding Atok to your list, look for the Manage Crypto option, which is conveniently located at the bottom of your listed tokens. It's designed to help you organize your assets effectively and provide easy access to new tokens like Atok. Next, you'll want to click on the plus icon. This feature allows you to add new cryptocurrencies to your wallet, accommodating the diverse nature of digital assets in the crypto ecosystem. When you click the plus icon, you'll be prompted to select a network. Since BSC Scan was involved in identifying the Atok address, you'll likely want to choose the Binance Smart Chain network, unless directed otherwise. Selecting the correct network is crucial because it ensures that your transactions and token displays are accurate and seamless. After you've chosen the appropriate network, paste the Atok address that you copied earlier. This step connects your Trust Wallet to the specific Atok token by inputting its unique address. Finally, you'll see an Add Token option. After clicking this, your Trust Wallet will begin recognizing Atok, effectively integrating it into your list of tokens. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add the Atok address in Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you ensure your wallet stays up to date with the tokens you want to manage, facilitating better control over your digital assets. Remember, accurately following the steps, particularly when copying addresses, is essential for keeping your wallet organized and secure. Thank you for watching and happy managing.